Hey everybody, this is Dane. Want to show you a really nice porch house here, farm style, by Clayton. We'll go through and walk through it real quick. Let's go inside, take a look. Now this is a Repo here in Oklahoma. Just a short drive from the country out to Tulsa. Real pretty. Lots of trees, real secluded. That is a huge island here in the kitchen. Got all stainless appliances. Really nice kitchen. Amazing what you can get sometimes. We've had a lot of people asking me to get more videos on Repo, so I thought I'd show this one to you. There's your heat and air system. Big washer dryer, laundry. This is a massive kitchen. Wow, this is awesome. Big old wraparound porch. Nice cloak closet here. Nice half bath right there. So that's bedroom number 1. Let's go check out bedroom number 2. It's a big bedroom. That's a big closet in there. Wow. This is all tape and textured. Really nice 4-bedroom. It's huge. Let's look at bedroom number 3. This house doesn't ever look like it's even been lived in. Looks brand new. Like I said, some of the Repos will end up having work that needs to be done on them. But this one is absolutely move-in ready. Right here in Oklahoma, just a short drive from Tulsa, out in the country. So we have the half bath. Now we have a shared bathroom right here, really nice. Lots of storage and cabinets here in this bathroom. got the primary bedroom here. Check it out. It's massive. It's big. This is a big bedroom. It smells brand new in here. I don't know if anybody ever lived here. This is amazing. I'm sure they did some touch-up paint, but my goodness, this house seems brand new. Let's check out the massive master bath, the primary bathroom. Look at this. Wow, look at this. This bathroom is incredible. His and her sinks. Lots of storage. This is incredible. Lots of windows. Can you believe this is a Repo? 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's take one more look down the hall here towards the kitchen. Tell you what, folks, this house has it all. And what's amazing too is we're starting to help families get homes like this on land. We're doing land home packages. We got 1 acre, 2 acre, 5 acre, 10 acre. We can bundle it up for you here in Oklahoma. Just reach out to us if you'd like to have a home just like this on land, or if you want more information on this one or any of the Repos. Man, I want to go back out and look at that porch again. This home is incredible. This is a great example of what we can help y'all do if you want to get a beautiful home on land with a big old porch and you want to turnkey the deal. Have us help you get it set up. Get all the utilities hooked up, water, electric, septic. If you need us to do any dirt work on your land, get it ready to go. Roll it into one easy monthly payment. Can you imagine having a beautiful home like this in Oklahoma? Short drive from town, peaceful, raise your family or just retire and relax. I was just talking to a family yesterday. They moved out of Tulsa. They went out and bought a nice acreage north of town up in Oologah. They love it. The kids are so happy. They said they wish they would have done it years ago. And this is an example of what we could do for you. If you're interested, give us a holler. You see my cell phone there, just text me and we'll help you out. Have a great day.